How to change background colour in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Start by selecting your layer and then come up to Select and choose Select and Mask. Within here, come up to the View mode and change this to On Black, and then come over to Select Subject, and this will select your subject. You can choose Refine Hair or use the Refine Edge Brush tool to refine the edges of your image. Once you're done with that, you can come down to Output To and then choose Selection and then choose OK. We then want to create a group and then create a mask on this group and then come up to Invert. This will make sure we're only affecting the background. Then come down to Adjustment Layer and choose Hue/Saturation and then create a new adjustment layer under Levels. Bring Levels below Hue/Saturation and then click into Hue/Saturation. Up here, we can start playing around with the hue to get the type of background that we want for our image. And you can also play around with the saturation to make it more or less intense. You can then come into the levels to affect the lightness and the darkness of this new colour that we have created. So here is our before and here is our after, and that's all there is to it.